everyone, I'm Yati, your English co-learner. As you all know, here I upload videos every day to improve my fluency, and it's day 19 of my English learning journey. And today I'm going to talk about my school and also about myself. Today I'm making this video in the morning because I find difficult to record my video in the afternoon because sunlight becomes very strong and it really makes me difficult to keep my eyes open, and sunlight affects me a lot. That is why I chose this time, morning time, to record this video. And anyway, let's move on to our topic. I started going to school from class 1, means I started studying from class 1. I didn't study nursery and LKG UKG, so on. And before going to school I was very excited, but after reaching there I was also, but the time when my Mosiji left from there, I started weeping. Fortunately, there was a girl from my neighborhood who already knew me, so I sat with her, and then I stopped crying. And after that day, means after my first day, I started going to school without crying, and every day I used to go to school before time. Yeah, not actually good, but I used to go there, and means. 10 minutes or 15 minutes I used to go every day quickly. And I used to just stand there, and I near my school I used to just stand there or sit there and see here and there, just like this. And after coming from my school, I used to do my homework at first, and then I used to play so many things like hopscotch. I used to play a lot, hide and seek, and I used to run a lot. Yeah. And there was only two teacher in my school, and it was my school was not very big, and like there was a ground and there was not like this, and there was only two teacher and around 150 student. And if I talk about study, so it was not very good, but yeah, it was good, means basic study was happening very well there. And if I talk about lesson, like first lesson, second lesson, so it was not like this, because you can see, means you can imagine, like there was only two teachers, so it was difficult to manage all the things, and around 150 students, so yeah, it was difficult for them. But yeah, teachers was very strict, and whatever they was teaching, it was well, yeah. There was basic studying was happening like in English, like yeah, chair hand, means we used to learn translation. And if I talk about math, so there was a basic operation like basic operation was happening, like multiplication, division, and all the things. And after studying there 3 years, I means my school closed down, and I went in another school, and my school was not very well, that one, second one. Yeah. And their basic study was very low there. And if I talk about lesson, like book, like first lesson, second lesson, so it was happening there. And if I talk about like students, like what kind of students there, so their study was totally dependent on memorization. And the students who was able to memorize a lot used to be called intelligent student, and I was one of them. And the students who was unable to memorize, and so they used to be called unintelligent. And in the time of paper, we used to get model paper before exam, and everything was just coming from that model paper, everything. And after corona, this thing stopped happening little bit. And during the corona, I was in my class 7, and when I reached in class 8, so I stopped doing it. And after that I gave entrance exam, not very big, it was a small, means it was not very difficult exam. It was a yeah, it was easy exam. I gave exam, and I went to in government school, and this was a excellence school, and government excellence school, so I went there. And their study was really very good from my in these two school. Yeah, it was very good, because I learned there so many things, means I stopped memorization and doing study from my own. And there was also not means like teacher was, it was a government school, so that is why teacher was teaching well, means a teacher was not forced to memorize on. Actually, there was not forcing. We used to do by our own. And in my government school, I found teacher good. There I stopped memorization and I learned so many things by my own and also by my teachers. So it was quite good. It was quite good from that school. And it was not like this, I will give you model paper and everything will just come from that model paper. It was not like this. So we used to learn everything. We used to get so many things. Now this school is just amazing. And after my lower classes, I became average student, and because so it was okay for me because now I am not memorizing as I was before. So it is good for me. It's going to around 6 minutes. That is why my hand is started paining. So I'm going to stop this video. It is enough for me to record this video. So okay, now I'll be back with my day 20 of my English learning journey. Till then, take care and keep improving and keep practicing every day. So thank you so much for watching this video. Now